Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CAD NEST. Myself Allauddin here. I'm a CAD engineer and a CAD NEST. Today I'm just going to discuss about Revit topic here. That is how to create a sloped floor. See, here we have in last video we have seen the how to create a floor. Now I'm going to show the how to create a sloped floor here. So now let it be. I'll take one plan here. Example by using this wall. I'm going to take a. I'm just going to place one walls here. After taking this walls here, so now what I'll do, I'll go to level 2 here because I want this floor in the level 2 here. Then I'm just going to take a floor. After taking this one, now how the shape to design according to that shape. If you want to create here, you can take pick lines here. If I click on pick line directly on this walls, now see, before finishing, make sure that if the lines are intersecting, make sure that you have to join into end to end point. What I'll do, I'll click on end to end point here. After that one, what you can do here, you can see the slope arrow. Take a slope arrow and you can give a direction in which direction you want to place a slope. Suppose I want to place a slope from this direction, from which point to until this one. After converting into the slope, after assigning the slope here, then come to here in the properties. Here you can see this one as a specify hard title. Then you can convert into slope and you can give the slope degree how much you wanted to give here. Enter. Just reduce this. I'll give this 10 degree here and I'll apply here. After that one, you can finish this edit mode. Once if I'll finish this edit mode, not last to attach overlapping the floors is asking, I'll click yes to this one. Then you can go to 3D. If I'll go to 3D, you can keep in a realistic form also. Now see this walls, I want to make attachment to this walls here, this one. Then you can select the walls. After selecting the wall, what you can do, you can see one option called modify, that is attached properties. Click on that and you can click on the floor. Once if I click on the floor, now see automatically it will get attached to this one. So like that we can create a sloped floor. Okay, hope you understood. Thank you so much for watching. Like our videos, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.